What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, we have hit 300 subscribers. That is just awesome. Check it out, guys, right there, 302, guys. That is awesome news. Thank you guys so much for all your support, guys. We are almost at my 500 subscriber goal. We're more than halfway there now at this point. And, you know, this is definitely a big milestone. So, guys, just thank you so much in advance. And guys, there's a lot going on with the Bitcoin price action. We had a massive crash yesterday, dropped all the way down to 10,350. We had a wick all the way down to 10,200. And OXT, guys, had that pump from 0.26 all the way up to 0.48. That was what I was talking about right here, Orchid, and the buy times you want. So if you bought right there, guys, you just made a sick profit, an incredible profit, guys. You could have doubled your money in the last 3 days. Let me know if you caught that profit. I know I did. I told you about it. I put my money down. And guys, it's as simple as that to make money in this market, guys. So I hope that you guys are doing that as well. And guys, there's lots to go over today. I wanted to go over Bitcoin, OXT, Electronium. There's just many coins to go over, even some Chainlink talk. And guys, if that sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe and like, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. So guys, I'm not going to go over too much news today. There's just too much going on in the price action. I want to just get into it. So guys, Bitcoin is having that breakdown out of that wedge that I've been talking about. As you can see, the last 4 wedges all did almost the same thing except for this one right here. So this one we could actually turn green here to show that it's a different trend. Okay, because it broke up, but then also did break down. So it's pretty close. It's very close to the same thing. But this had a breakdown right out at the end of the wedge. This has happened several times, guys. So I was anticipating this move. I was kind of hoping we would fill down and get that CME futures gap. I'm tired of talking about it. It's one of those things like you just want it to kind of be done with at this point. But as long as it's lingering right below us, it's definitely still very real that we could end up filling it, guys. It's definitely possible. And I would definitely like to get in some Bitcoin under 10,000 again. That would be great news. And I think that if Bitcoin continues to put in this kind of bearish momentum here, we could end up down filling it for sure. But what I'm seeing right now is we are above the middle Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band's just had a wide move. They're tightening up. We're in the hourly scale right now. The EMA 20 is way below the EMA 55, but it is kind of like curving back towards it maybe. So maybe we're going to get a little bit of a sideways motion. But guys, I do think that we are in for a little bit of chop here, especially if we can't break the $10,500, $600 level and remain stable above it. So I think there could be a little bit more chop headed our way, guys, in the short term. So be mindful of that. Get your bags ready in case there's more buy opportunities for Bitcoin. And guys, I wanted to jump right into OXT, guys. Check this out. Guys, you got in right there. If you followed my calls, you got in right here. And you made profit right here. It's that simple. A couple days, guys. That is just epic calls. I knew this would be one of the last times to get in on OXT. I brought it out to your guys' attention. I hope you guys made money. It's that simple. I bought in right here. I got out right here. I made, I'm not going to say exactly what I made, but I made thousands. It's that simple, guys. So great buy, great exits. I was planning to get out at 0.30 and it just shot up right through it. I got out at 0.48 at the top for most of it and then 0.45. So guys, just excellent trades. Let me know if you caught those trades. I remember several people messaging about OXT and asking what to do, and I was telling you guys to wait, hold your bags, and that's exactly what the reason is for right there. And if you got in anywhere above it, just be patient. OXT is still in its infancy. OXT will really blow up past, you know, $1 someday, and then you'll be happy you held. It's that simple. You don't want to take a loss, for instance. And we've got Electronium, guys. Electronium having a bit of a breakdown. Remember, I had this breakdown bar right here that we were going to get out of this descending triangle, and we came pretty close. That's pretty close. So maybe we still have a little bit more downtrod to go. We could end up down at 0.0043. Now, guys, don't worry about that if we get a little bit more downtrod. That's almost anticipated right now with the low at 0.0042. So we could end up down at least 0.0043 in the short term when we're waiting for a little bit more bullish momentum to come into the market here. But guys, a lot's going on with Electronium. They brought in someone new, which is really awesome. I'm not sure of the guy's name off the top of my head, but I've heard a lot of good things about him just in browsing the internet. And it looks like, you know, they're making additions to the team all the time. Also, not only that, but the coin economics are finally starting to really kick off for Electronium. So I think that's why we even had that rise all the way up to a cent. And then I think as things start to really pan out in a good way, we could start to see a little bit more price rise to the upside over the next like 5 months or so. So that's what I think could happen for electronium. I think a little bit of the panning off has been done now. Like, we've definitely had a big consolidation phase. Now the reality is we could end up into some kind of movement like this for a very long time, which kind of just goes on and on. Okay, guys, that's definitely happened before with electronium, and that's definitely what weeds out a lot of people, is the scary price action to the downside. But in reality, that's just consolidation, and if you can actually get into the bottom, then that's actually the best times to buy. And I still think that 0.0046, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41 are great times to buy in electronium with multiple opportunities to the upside, guys. Now, granted, it's not like OXT's been pumping lately. I mean, that's just crazy, guys. That's some massive gains, guys, and some really good opportunity there. But electronium's still just a very profitable coin, a very good project, and it's all about the good projects, guys. If they're doing well, if they've got good coin economics, they've got good presence, they've got good exposure, that's all you can ask for in cryptocurrency. And these new coins are going to really surprise you, especially if they pump up to several dollars. You know, we've all seen Ripple pump up to there. I think electronium could perform just like that over the next few years, quite simply, guys. And Link, let's talk a little bit about Chainlink, guys. Dropping down into the support levels we were talking about. Is this an optimal time to buy? Okay, if we were to extend this out, okay, we're hitting another resistance right there. More resistance above, and then the top resistance bar up here, guys. So basically we're almost down at the 0.8 or 8.0. So, okay, that's where I think a good optimal time to buy. We're basically at optimal buy times right now, guys. So you could get in a little lower, but in general, these are the good buy times for Chainlink right now. And I think that some very profitable times are right around the corner for Chainlink. Some upward motion is just right around the corner, guys. I can feel it. I can feel it. And moreover, we are getting a tightening of the Bollinger Bands right now, which means a breakout is imminent. It's not like back here, for instance, where we're getting a little bit of like up and down pressure. It's just moving sideways. We are in like hugging the middle Bollinger Band. The EMA 20 is dipping back towards the EMA 55, and we don't have too much volume, guys. So that means that there will be a breakout soon, and hopefully it is back to the upside, maybe punching it back up to like 11.0 or something. That would be a really good sign for Chainlink. And I know there's a lot of people in a Chainlink above that. Just be patient, guys. Don't cash in at a loss on that one yet. You'll be very upset you did. And I think that, you know, there's some serious opportunity here to the upside. You just got to wait for it and be patient. And guys, one more coin I wanted to go over before we actually close this off today is Ethereum. So Ethereum has had a bit of a runoff since it's high up at around 500 bucks, and we've kind of now been sitting at around $342 for the last day and change here. A little bit of a sell-off when Bitcoin dropped off too. Is Ethereum ever going to pump back up to say like $1,000? There's a lot of people that ask me that question because they got in around, you know, after the bull market in 2017, they got into the bear market. So they technically lost a lot of money. Yeah, I think Ethereum will come back, but it's not going to be until Bitcoin reaches its all-time highs again or surpasses it, and say like Bitcoin's at $50,000. Then maybe we'll see an Ethereum price at around $1,000, $2,000. You can definitely see that happening, guys. But guys, that's all I had to go over for today. I wanted to keep it nice and short and sweet. I actually have a few doctor's appointments I have to get to. And guys, 300 subscribers. This is just awesome. I remember just a few months, not even a few months ago, a month and a half ago, I had 150 subscribers. This is crazy. I've doubled in subscriptions in the last month and a half. So this is just really great, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I'm going to keep putting out videos for you guys so you guys can keep learning and keep getting good calls. I really hope a lot of you caught the OXT call because that was a big one. That's months of gains right there, guys, if you caught it and did well. I want to know if you caught that in the comments below. Let me know. I definitely caught it, guys. I'm just happy as a pig in shit right now. I'm very happy. Doesn't get much better than that, guys. So again, thank you for all your support, guys. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.